Welcome to DIY Illegal Recipes. I'm John and I hope you're having a good day or a good night wherever you are right now. For today's video, I picked to quickly review a very nice vanilla flavor that caught my eye recently in a nearby supply store that I was visiting. I knew about vanilla Tahiti, but with the huge amount of vanilla flavors available, I never made an order with it. And since now I just found it in front of me, I had to try it. I want to start first by saying that this is a very mild and subtle vanilla concentrate. It has a nice taste, but it would work best together with a thicker vanilla to work as the base. In general, the vanilla Tahiti from FlavourArt is a bright vanilla flavor with a slight almond background. Some people describe it as being very sweet, flowery, or fruity. I like to describe it as having a sweet vanilla note that you can taste during the inhale and a marshmallow-like almond note that is noticed in the background during the exhale. Vanilla Tahiti is not rich and robust as FlavourArt's Vienna cream or Madagascar vanilla, but if mixed in the right ratio, it will brighten up all other vanilla and cream flavors in most recipes. Tahiti also works very well inside straight cream mixes or fruit and cream mixes. As a solo flavor, it can be used at 2% up to 6%, but even at 5%, it is still very bold. To use it as a vanilla base in one of your recipes, anywhere from 2% up to 5% works very well. And last, if you'd like to spice up other creams or vanillas, you can use it from 0.5% up to 2% for some extra flavor. If you're looking to get a more complex and dark vanilla flavor, you can mix 2% of vanilla Tahiti together with 2% of either Madagascar vanilla or bourbon vanilla from FlavourArt also. Now next, I have prepared a quick recipe to show you as an inspiration with this flavor. The e-liquid is called Tahity Swirl and is a mellow and slightly dry vanilla e-liquid with a nice complementary texture coming from the Inawera biscuit. The sweetener is not mandatory, but I would recommend it because these flavors just alone are slightly bitter. Altogether, it is a smooth and flavorful e-liquid, full of vanilla flavor and a soft taste. If you're vaping this recipe for a tank atomizer, you might find it a little light on the taste, so you could raise everything by an additional 0.5% for some extra flavor. In general, vanilla Tahiti is a nice change to the regular blend vanilla flavors. It is not creamy, but rather dry as a flavor, and the additional tropical accents in this concentrate give it a nice twist. It kinda makes me think that this is most likely an attempt from FlavourArt on creating their own version of a French vanilla type of flavor. In any case, as always, leave us your thoughts and your comments below, and I'll be back in a couple of days again with a new 3-flavor recipe I'm finalizing right now. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again next time.